We're running out of time. Let's focus now. We don't have much time left. Stay sharp and clear. Let's get straight to the point. No more delay. Let's not waste time here. Be direct and simple. What's the main issue here? Tell me clearly. What's the real problem? Don't avoid it now. We need a clear solution, not guesses or opinions. Let's find a practical solution we can use today. We can't afford mistakes at this point anymore. Stay focused and think carefully before speaking. Keep your mind clear and stay on the task. Again, running out of time, focus now. Get to the point quickly. What's the problem here? Find a solution fast. This needs to be done today. No excuses at all. We can't delay this anymore. Act now and move. Let's break it down step by step. Stay organized. Handle it one step at a time. Stay calm and steady. Can you take care of this task today for me? Can you handle this part properly and clearly? I'll follow up on this later today. Be ready. I'll check back with you soon. Keep me updated. Make sure everything is done correctly and fully. Don't miss any important detail or small step. Stay careful and double-check your work. Again, do it today now. No more delay here. Step by step now. Handle your part well. Let's stay on track and keep moving forward. Let's not lose focus at this important stage. We'll fix it as we go. Don't worry too much. We'll adjust along the way if needed later. Keep things simple and very clear to follow. Make it easy to understand for everyone here. Don't overthink it, just act and move now. Just take action and keep going forward. Stay calm and think clearly in this situation. Focus on what really matters right now. Keep your energy and stay consistent today. Again, stay on track now. Don't lose focus. Fix it as we go. Take action now. We need to move fast and stay focused now. Time is critical now. Don't slow down anymore. Let's make real progress today, not tomorrow. We need results, not excuses at this point. Take responsibility for this task fully. Own the result completely and clearly. Let's finish this strong together as a team. Push it to the end without stopping now. Stay motivated and keep going forward. Don't give up at the last step today. Keep pushing until the job is done. Again, move fast now. Time is critical here. Make progress today. Finish strong now.